Well, good morning. I'm in my Diamond DA20. This is the Bose headset featuring the new attachment, which I 3D printed, and I'm gonna test fly it, give you my impressions, and then we'll get to see the footage that it takes. And then I have a little surprise at the end, hopefully that you'll appreciate. So stick around and we'll see how this goes. So if you remember my previous episode on fabricating a replacement cover like this one here. So that's great. We figured out how to mount things to the Bose Aviation X headset, and so easily removable. There's two screws. There we go. And as you see, it's pretty sturdy. I can twist it if I want to. I can tighten it a little bit more.
London Charlie 22, we call him clear for the option. For the option, 22, on Delta Charlie. So now we come back, give me number 2, flying down in midfield, left down. Number 2.
Here you can see the initial results of the headset cam view, and it's pretty jerky. I don't know if that's the camera making it worse than it should be, but I'm definitely the biggest problem because I'm turning my head a lot. And I had to rotate the frame and zoom in because it wasn't frame right. So there's a lot of post-production. Here, same. I had to rotate to get the horizon, and then a lot of moving right and left, which I think is not a great view. I think it would probably make you nauseous watching this for too long. So in terms of putting a camera on my headset, I think that's a fail, but here's the interesting development. So this headset's been around for 10 years, probably. I think so, about 10 years, and maybe more. And all this time, it had those pins with an audio out that we could have used instead of all getting these cables and these adapters that you plug in between these and the panel.
All right, so hopefully everything's working and this is all being recorded.
So here is an adaptation of the original cover that I designed previously, and I made space for mounting an audio jack. And so that jack is wired to a jumper, and you can see it here inserted in the cover. I then proceeded to design and make the accessories like this GoPro mount that attaches. I wanted the cover to be interchangeable or adaptable. Here is a different style, which is with the bowl clamp. This enables you to print all kinds of accessories that you could mount to the headset. I designed one for myself, which was a extension arm, a little bit longer for a camera, but this is before I knew that I wasn't really going to end up using it for a camera.
Diamond window, Charlie 22, and com, clear for the option. Clear for the option, runway 22, 4641, Delta Charlie. I think I'll make it a full stop. Roger.
Well, I've uploaded these STL files to thingiverse.com. You'll be able to download them and print them on your own 3D printer if you have one. In addition to this, I have made a certain number of them already assembled, which you can purchase through ebay.com for the modest amount of $30. And finally, I will be designing one for the A20. A friend of mine has recently lent me his headset, and I'll be taking the measurements and doing more or less the same thing if the A20 allows me to do so. So until next time, thank you for your support. I don't usually ask people to subscribe, but for the 500th subscriber, that was a mouthful, I will give you one of these for free.